Hello everyone, welcome back to Grammar Crackers. So far, we have completed what is a personal pronoun. Personal pronoun according to person, first person, second person, third person. Personal pronoun according to number, that is singular and plural. And personal pronoun according to function, that is subjective and objective. Today, our topic is a little confusing, but it is also very important. That topic is order of pronoun. First question arises, what does order mean in grammar? In every language, words are placed in a proper order to make a sentence correct. For example, I saw you. This sentence is correct. But you I saw. This sentence is wrong. Why is the second sentence wrong? Because English follows a fixed word order, subject plus verb plus object. We will study this word order in detail later in the topic of sentence structure. In the same way, pronouns also follow a specific order, especially when two or more pronouns are used in one sentence. To understand this clearly, let us first start with the basic rules. First rule is use a subject pronoun in the subject position. As we already know, subject pronouns are I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Let's understand it with the help of example. First is Sam and I went to the park. Next is you and she need to talk. Both sentences are correct because I and she are subject pronouns and they are placed in the subject position. Common mistake is Sam and me went to the park. Is the sentence correct? No. Why is it wrong? Because me is an object pronoun and here it is wrongly used in the subject position. Got it? Now, rule number 2. Use an object pronoun in the object position. As we already know, object pronouns are me, us, you, him, her, it, them. Now, let's understand it with the help of examples. First is she called me. The teacher punished him. I helped them. All these sentences are correct because me, him, them, they are placed in the object position. Okay, let's see some common mistakes. She called I. The teacher punished he. Are these sentences correct? No, because I and he are subject pronouns and they are wrongly used in the object position. Always remember that subject pronoun cannot be used as object. Before moving forward, an important clarification. You may hear sentences like me and my friends went to the park, my friends and me are going. These sentences are commonly used in daily spoken English, but they are not correct for exams, essays, formal writing, competitive exams. For exams and academics, always follow the rule. For casual spoken English, such usage is common but avoid it in writing. Always remember, in writing and exams, grammar rules matter. In daily speech, people often break rules. Now that the basic rule is clear, we are ready to understand the correct order of pronouns. When two or three personal pronouns are used together in a sentence, they do not come in a random order. English follows a fixed and polite order. When first person, second person, and third person are used together, the correct order is second person, third person, and then first person. This rule is also called the polite rule.
Why, God, why?
Because English follows politeness and good manners. So we talk about the listener first, you, then others, he, she, or they, and put ourselves at the end, I or we. This shows politeness in the language. Got it? Okay, let's understand it with the help of examples. First is I, you, and he will go to school. This is wrong. You, he, and I will go to school. This is the correct order. Second, I, she, and you completed the work. But the correct order will be you, second person, she, third person, and then I, first person, completed the work. Got it? Okay, next is I, he, and you are invited. But the correct order is you, he, and I are invited. Always remember, listener, then others, after that, speaker. Got it? Okay. Now let us understand the second rule of pronoun order. Rule 2 is used when a sentence talks about a mistake, fault, blame, punishment, apology, or confession. In such sentences, the speaker doesn't hide behind politeness. Instead, the speaker accepts responsibility first. When fault, blame, or confession is involved, the first person comes first, and the order becomes first person, second person, and third person. Let's understand it with the help of example. First one, I and you are to blame. The speaker accepts the fault first, so I comes before you. Second, I, he, and you made a mistake. This sentence talks about a mistake, so the speaker puts himself first. Got it? Okay. Now, third one is I and they were punished. Punishment is involved, so the speaker takes responsibility first. Got it? In sentences of fault, honesty comes before politeness. Okay, a quick reminder no matter which order we follow, subject position, subject pronoun, object position, object pronoun. This rule never changes. Okay, now it's summary time. Let's revise what we have learned. Basics of pronouns. Use subject pronouns in the subject position. Second, use object pronouns in the object position. And the third one is common mistakes like me and my friends are incorrect in formal English. Next is order of pronouns. In normal and polite sentences, the usual order is second person, third person, first person. In sentences of fault or blame, the order changes to first person, second person, third person. Pronoun order depends on the sense of the sentence, not on a fixed formula. Got it? So today we completed the basic rules of pronouns and the order of pronouns with correct explanation. These rules are very important for correct sentence formation. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing, and keep smiling. Bye-bye.